This is just a box, so woo! Oh, hello there! Mary and Allie here for Two Tiny Wings, and I have on my Winter Mickey t-shirt because today we are going to be taking a look at some mystery minis from Frozen 2.
I have on my blue Star Wars shirt.
Because blue. Now, these are mystery boxes, so we don't know exactly what figure it is we're going to get in here. They are from Frozen 2, so there's two of the newer characters. Three, the moms on there. So here is what we can get. If you look at the back of the box, you will see all of the different characters, and then those numbers under there are the chances that we have. So these are your odds of getting each of the characters. So you'll see that ones that are common are Anna, Elsa, Olaf, and then the less common ones are their mom.
No, that's Anna.
Oh, sorry. And the less common ones are Princess Anna, Princess Elsa, Baby Anna, Baby Elsa, and the Rock guy.
I want Rock.
Okay, so Mary wants Rock.
I want Rock. Which one do you want?
I like Kristoff.
I like the Rock.
Yeah, okay. So let's see.
Rock.
Now, if you saw our last video where we opened up some little Pixar figurines, we had considerable trouble trying to get the bags open. These are much easier. This is just a box, so woo!
I think there's probably a bag inside.
They're probably, yeah, we might be foiled yet by the bag, but Mary is ready. We're probably
missing scissors.
We're missing scissors. No, we're ready, so ready. Inside the box, you get a little bag.
It's a big bag.
It's a big bag.
What does it feel like?
It feels like a big head.
Rock?
This might, no, I think this is one of the, this isn't Rock. It's not Horse, and it's not Sven. So it's one of the people. It's not Olaf either. So it's definitely one of the people. Let's see. Ooh, oh yeah, look at that. So much easier, like a champ. Drum roll. Yay!
Oh, it's big!
Kristoff!
That's a big figure. I thought they were gonna be bitty, like the Pixar ones, but that's a big figure.
That is, yeah. The Pixar ones that we opened last video were mini. But this is about 2 inches tall. Look at him just standing there, being his best self. He is so cute. Kristoff. That's adorable. Standing there, arms folded. Maybe he'll belt out a rock ballad. I don't know.
I want the Rock.
All right, so let's see what you got here.
I hope it's the Rock.
See, I hope that it's Anna. So then if you have Anna and Sven, they make a good little, or Anna and Sven. Anna and Kristoff, they make a good little pair.
I like the Rock. I think Anna and the Rock make a good pair. This is not the Rock.
No, what does it feel like?
Princess.
Okay.
I feel like a cape.
Ooh.
Which ones have capes?
Which ones have capes? We have,
I think this might be
Anna.
I think this is Elsa.
Anna.
This is
You think
Elsa
so?
with her pants.
Oh, pants to Elsa.
Drum roll. I was correct! Anna with pant! Oh, there isn't pant. It's like a dress. Dress that looks like pant.
That's really pretty. Of all the blues, they picked really pretty blues for Anna.
She's got a little...
Or Elsa. Oh my gosh, I can't even speak today.
No. She's got the little, like, crystal in her hand.
She does, and she's smiling. She's a happy Elsa. Elsa doesn't smile a lot, but this one's smiling.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe because she's got her crystal. These are very cute. So we have Kristoff, who's facing the back. There we go. So we got Kristoff, and we have Elsa. I think that we should spread a little magic and give these away. So we are going to be giving these away. These are adorable. We have more of these. We will be doing more of the Frozen Mini unboxings in the future.
Better be rocks. I want that rock so badly. I will buy many of those just to get a rock.
I'll go into the garden. I'll get you a rock.
But look at that rock. Look at his little face. Look at his little pout. He's got a stone. He's ready to pelt it.
So, here is, if you've been watching our videos, you know how these giveaways work. First, make sure that you are a subscriber. Second, comment what is your favorite song from either Frozen 1 or Frozen 2. I like Love is an Open Door. just because it's the kind of thing that you can sing, I don't know, as a duet with your husband in the car.
Well, yeah.
And embarrass your children.
The only downside is that Hans does betray Anna in the end. It was all a lie, and it was just a ploy. So love is not an open door. Love is a crushing sadness that'll eventually freeze your heart.
What's your favorite song, Mare?
the ice song in the beginning.
The ice song in the beginning. The song that everybody skips on the soundtrack. That's your favorite song? That's your favorite song. All right. So, number 1, make sure you're a subscriber. Number 2, leave a comment. What is your favorite song? Are you a cynic like Mary or an optimist like myself? The giveaway will be open for 10 days from the time this video goes up. Good luck to everybody. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And with that,
set your imaginations free.
Bye.